With these 3 simple exercises, we're going to activate our circulation and we're going to elevate a little bit our heartbeat. Let's go. One leg in the air, the other one standing, finding our balance. Also, we're going to work a little bit of balance. And we breathe in deep and we breathe out, doing this shaky movement. Okay, just relaxing the muscles and feeling the hip joint, the knee joint, and the ankle joint completely free. Okay, it's important to keep a constant movement, breathing in and as fast as you can, and breathing out. Okay, that breathing is going to bring oxygen to the parts of the body that we're moving. So we're pushing our circulation into those legs, breathing in and breathing out, and it's quite tiring. Our heartbeat starts to elevate. Breathe in deep and breathe out. We're going to do 5 long breathings, okay, with each leg. Change leg, the other one. Breathing in deep. Breathing out. Breathing in, that's our music. Our breathing is our music. Breathing out, it's our counting also. Try to make it deep. Breathing in. Breathing out. That's 3. Breathing in. And out is 4. Come on, don't get tired. A little faster and stronger. Breathe in. And breathe out. Very good. The next one.
Continue watching the complete video in DARTE Video-Pilates, a Pilates service on demand to perform exercises from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is access dartepilates.com and enter the Video Pilates section. You will be able to access recordings in Spanish and English of exercises, routines, and workshops. Some of them are even free. Search for a specific topic and you will find all the related content. Find the service that best suits your needs. Either DARTE a media with which we will design ultra-personalized workouts to suit your particular case, or DARTE Routines, where you will find a wide repertoire of specialized routines to do on your own. Perhaps you prefer to access the DARTE Exercises, a growing collection of Pilates and physiotherapy exercises ideal for professionals looking for ideas to recommend to their clients. Or take one of the DARTE Tips workshops to learn how to use the towel for a healthy neck, the roller foam for myofascial massage, or the softball for lumbar disc herniation. Stick around and I'll show you how it works. Let's go to DARTE Routines. You will see several routines with their description and duration. When you choose one of them, the video playback will start immediately from a computer, tablet, or mobile phone. And thanks to its controls, you can regulate the playback speed if you want to watch it faster or not to miss any detail of a movement by selecting a slower speed. Of course, you can control the usual aspects of a video such as volume, position of the video, or maximize it to full screen. Just below each video you will find suggestions of videos related to the one you are watching. Or you can go to another Video Pilates service. Don't worry, whatever you do, you'll never lose sight of the current video playing. Let's look at another example, as most of the content is in both English and Spanish. Switching from one language to the other is a breeze. Now I will show you the exercises section that can be accessed with both the DARTE Medida and DARTE Exercises services. On the right-hand side you will have a list of all the exercises, and as soon as you click on one, the explanation on the left-hand side will start playing. All the exercises are designed to be done at home using household items such as a bed, chair, pillow, or ball. We also have a section of free videos for those who want to experience what it feels like to use DARTE Video Pilates. Currently this section has some complete floor Pilates classes. Go to dartepilates.com and choose the service you like best. Some services are a one-time fee and others are monthly subscriptions, which you can cancel at any time. We are waiting for you.